What is going on, guys? We are back. It is Sunday. I am here at the bait shop waiting to get some shiners, waiting for that to open up. I was gonna go catch some trout yesterday. I got to the pond and boy oh boy was there a lot of people there. Both parking lots completely packed. With all this COVID going on and stuff, not safe to be there, so I didn't do that. But back today, I am all alone, sadly. My father couldn't come, so taking the boat out for the first time this year by myself. First day of spring. Gonna be 60 today. Right now we're looking at about 28 degrees. A little chilly out here, but what are you gonna do? It's supposed to warm up, so come along with us. Should be fun. Half an hour early for the bait shop, and somebody was already here before me, so that's a little crazy. I'm not the only one out here that's trying to enjoy this good day. Got the setups in the back. I got 3 poles with me today. I got 2 spinning rods, 1 bait caster. I got a chatterbait tied onto the bait caster. The 2 spinning rods, one's a drop shot, the other one's just a weightless hook. Here we go, there's another guy pulling in. Got a boat going. Got the little motor and everything. That's what I need. That is exactly what I want. That little aluminum john boat instead of this 12-foot long plastic canoe. But make do with what you got. But yeah, I think I've made this intro long enough. I will see you guys at the pond. Well, here we are. Back out at the pond. I'm a dolo. Got the drop shot out, trolling along, throwing up into this brush with the chatterbait, and I got another shiner out. Yeah, let's see if I can't make something happen here, guys. It's gonna be hard, just me with the camera and everything, so I don't know if I'll be able to get much footage of me actually catching them, but I'll show you if I get them. Yeah. To be continued. Oh, got one on, guys. First one of the day. You're a low guy, but something. Bam. Oh, I got the camera facing. Technical difficulties. The camera was facing the wrong way. I finally got my first one of the day. He's a little guy, but he's something. Come here, bud. Oh. Got that hook caught right through the bottom of the lip right there. There we go, guys. First little bass of this solo fishing trip. It's very, very light. Still got them red lips too, so yeah. Get the release on them. Later, amigo. All right. See if I can get any more. Just got throwing a shiner over in this trees over here. And I got the other drop shot down in the deeper stuff over here. I'm trying our luck here. Got a little one. See if I can't get a big one. Well, I've been sitting here for what feels like ever. It's only been 10 minutes. Mystery tackle box that I bought. Only got the one. And it came with, not this. It came with 3 worm hooks, deep thud
crankbait. Some kind of strange looking spinnerbait that I might end up throwing on at some point. It's blues, browns, yellows. Then we got 2 packs of soft classics. Got these craw dudes, big bite baits. Then we got creams, same, just about the same colors on both of those.
Put the phone down, put the camera away. Something just stripped me. I got the shiner on as quick as I could, right back in the same spot. He just ate though, so he might not want it. I know he didn't feel the hook, and I know he's still over there. Oh boy. Come on.
Got him. Yes, sir. That's a nice little largie. Ooh. Pissed off, little one. Hey, bud. That's a decent bass. Stop jumping. Woo! Under the boat now. Where are you, bud? Come on. Come on. Yee! Might be the biggest one I've caught in all year. He doesn't want to come over here. Come here. You ain't going nowhere. You freaking swallowed that. What the hell? Give me. Come on. Come on. Come on. Oh, man, you're a gold boy. Come on, stop it. Ooh. Oh, there we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. That's why I was over here. That's the honey hole, ladies and gents. Whew. My God. I'm now hungry. Let's see what this little guy's tipping the scales at. Look at that. Batty. A little bit of pre-spawn action. Get that up in the first one where it doesn't cost me. Zeroed out. See that? 2.7. Biggest one of the year. Biggest one of the year. Woo! Talking about. Right. I gotta take some pictures before I release this one. Alright, so obviously different day, different clothes. We are now on Tuesday. Yeesh. Yeah, so as you can see, Sunday went splendid. Got a couple of fish. Did my thing. Tried to go a little later in the day to a different pond. That didn't work out. The next day, Monday, woke up early, tried to go catch some trout again because I knew no one would be at that pond. Didn't pan out. So, yeah. This is all I got for now. hopefully Thursday with the 70-degree day, I might head on down to the beach and try my hand at some saltwater fishing, but that's not really my thing. But I live really close to the beach, so I mean, we'll see what happens. I got shrimp and such, so not 100% sure. But for now, this was my Sunday fun day, a dolo trip, and it went pretty good. We got the biggest bass of the year so far. Still not my PB. I still got to break that 5 pounds flat. But yeah, until next time.